Hi everybody, it's Reina with Double TI and I'm so happy to show you my pillow. And it's not a simple pillow, it's so soft. I always have it in my bed and I used to get a nap with this little pit sitting like you see here. It's so cute, like you see, it's in the color pit. But I love that I have a rabbit hoodie here. And it's so funny. I have a cousin that says that it's very kawaii. And it's funny because I can take out the hoodie and also put in when I want it. It's the cutest pillow that I ever have, and the thing that I love the most is that it's very soft and comfortable. I really recommend this pillow, and that is my point of view.